Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Well, thank you for coming back. If you have not subscribed yet, just go ahead and click on that subscribe button. It will be gladly appreciated. Well, I do have another style for you, and this is the Goddess Bohemian Goddess Braid. And I just wanted to share with you guys how I do this. If you want to check out my method of how I do this, just stay tuned. Okay, so the hair I'm using is already pre-stretched. This is the Freetress kanekalon, just braiding hair. This is the brand, and I just go ahead and use it out of the packet. Now, like you can see, it's already pre-stretched and ready to go. For the curly hair, we're using this one here is the Bobbi Boss, kind of like a European body. You can use any type of curly hair that you prefer. This is what my client brought for me, and it still looks very, very beautiful. So for a simple method that you can use for this, for adding the curly hair, is simple. Here you can see I added the curly hair as if I'm gonna add it to the braid. The first one I left it out, and then I braided a little bit and left the second one out, and then I went and added another one to the end for the curly hair. And that's the first method if you prefer to do it like that. So as you can see, I'm adding a little piece on the bottom for the curly part.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
So the second method that I'm using is that I leave the curly hair really long, and I'm just gonna add it like that. The first part that I'm gonna leave out, that piece is shorter than the other piece that I am braiding along with. So you can see that one is shorter. So I just keep braiding it all the way to the end, and just making sure that I hide the colored piece as much as I can. And I just braid it all the way to the end, and it will be some left over of that curly end at the end, and that's where I'm just gonna continue and leave that out once I get there. make the curly ends. So to summarize, I don't know if I'm making any sense. I add the curly hair. I didn't cut it, so it's a long piece. So I didn't equally add it. I left the shorter part out, and then I braid the rest of it along with the braid. And then at the end, you can see how that curly hair is still left over. So I just stopped it where I feel like I still have some curly hair left for the ends. Does that make sense? Yes. And then here you are. Also, very quickly, I added some nail glue on the ends where I tie it, just because I don't want this to be slipping off. It's just for more security on the ends, so it will stay intact. I also wanted to mention, in many cases, the curly hair doesn't last as long as your braids. So if it happens like that, just go ahead and cut off the curly part and just wear your braids. You can still wear your braids longer. So you can either cut the ones in between the braids and just keep the curly ends for a while. Or if you feel like you use the hair that's not working out at all, you can just cut the curly part out and just wear your braids for a longer period of time. So I went ahead and I add some mousse after I finished braiding the hair, and that's it. This is the final look, guys. It looks amazing. And one thing that you have to keep in mind with the bohemian look is that you have to get a hair that is not going to be tangling too much, because this can get tangled, especially the ones that are in the middle of the hair. So you have to get a really good curling hair that is not going to be tangled, matting on you. Alright, thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Let's stay